Hi sir, good afternoon. This will be our video presentation about basic nomenclature for initial stability of a ship. Initial stability, this refers to a ship's ability to resist tipping over when a small force is applied to one side, like a wave. It's about the ship's immediate response to a small disturbance. Kini nagtumong sa abilidad sa usa ka barko nga musukol sa pagtapik sa dihang ang usa ka gamay nga pwersang magamit sa usa ka kilid sama sa usa ka balon. Mahitungod kini sa gilayon nga pagtubag sa barko sa gamay nga kasamo. Metacentric height. This is the most important measure of a ship's initial stability. It's the distance between 2 points. Kini ang labing importante nga sukod sa initial nga kalikon sa barko. Kini ang gilayon tali sa duha ka punto.
Hi sir, my topic is center of gravity. Center of gravity, G, the average point where the ship is the concentrated. Think of it as the ship balance point. Lower is better for ability. Metacenter, a point that help determine how the ship will react to the tailing. It's calculated based on the ship and the water displays.
Hi sir, this is my topic, center of buoyancy. Be the center of the volume of our water disciplined by the ship. The buoyant force the upward of the water through this point. Kill the button of ship's relationship. The image shows several distance. Kg distance from kill key to the center of gravity G. Km distance from the kill T to the metacenter M. Bm distance from the center of buoyancy B to the metacenter M. Gm metacentric high G to M. This is Kg Bm.
Imagine two ships has a high center of gravity and low metacenter, resulting in a small Gm. A small tilt will cause a weak restoring force, making it unstoppable. Has a low center of gravity and high metacenter, resulting in a large Gm. A small tilt will cause a strong restoring force, making it ever stable. A large metacentric high means better initial stability. This is achieved by lowering the center of gravity, raising the metacenter, or both. The shape of the ship, how significantly influence of the position of the metacenter.
How it works when a ship tells the center of buoyancy B shape, the metacenter M determines how the buoyant force will act to return the ship to its upright position. Legal Gm means the buoyant force will act more strongly to correct the tails, resulting in greater initial stability.